Hi Aquarians, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute and Finite Healing. And we are meeting here for a Happy New Year. So let's see how I can make your year happy. Aquarians, let us see what is in store for you for the whole year. Now this video is for the whole year. So I decided to pick 12 cards this time, so that we would understand what's going to happen in each and every month for us. And I would be giving you trailers for each and every month, like the major event of that month. And I'm so happy doing this yearly reading for everyone. And I wish you all a very, very, very happy new year. Do share this video with your zodiac buddies. And there are other videos for other zodiac signs as well. Alright, let me see. January, right. Oh, lovely. Nice. Aquarians. Overall, the year says that you will have to help yourself cleanse your energies. This year, you will get affected by a lot of other people's views and opinions and also their energies. So, we have a lot of cleansing sprays and all. I'll keep telling you. Let me see what I can do. So, January will also start with something like people bugging you, really making you anxious and irritated by their opinions, by their experiences, and by their expectations from you. And you will find yourself like this person alone fighting with all of them. But it's okay. It's not about others. Unless you are true to yourself, unless you are a better version of yourself every day, nothing else matters. I would give you an affirmation. This is a very amazing affirmation for January, to definitely do it. I am above everyone else's fears, expectations, and limitations. So I am above everyone else's fears, expectations, and limitations. It's as simple as that. So then no one should bother you, because you go above the earth level, sea level, and let them do whatever they want to do. Alright? Simple. February also shows a bad news relating to relations. So you could receive some bad news, maybe someone's health or someone's death or someone near and dear one. But nothing to worry. It will not really affect you as such, but you should be prepared. All right. March gives you a lot of money. March helps you gain a lot of money, and someone of feminine energy between 40 to 60 years will definitely help you. All right. Oh my God, this year, a lot of feminine energy is helping a lot of people. And by feminine energy, I do not mean females. I mean feminine energy. Even men have feminine energy. You'll get a lot of help. Now the month to look at with the jealousy and cleansing factor that I told you is April. So you might feel a little cheated. Feel as in you will be. See, there is something which is self-imposed and there is something which is circumstance-imposed. Though I always say that we attract circumstances, but it's the time that you have attracted this circumstance. And don't blame others. You just be prepared. Now, blows will come. If not this year, next year. Blows will come. But if your psychic immunity is good, it's not going to affect you. Let them do whatever they have to. That's why I said that you could use a selenite for that matter. Cleanse, 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 cleanse. My kids keep doing this. Or you could use cleansing sprays. We make cleansing sprays, the aura cleansing spray, protection sprays, especially the protection spray. Do contact us for that. We have really good protection sprays which we make here. Or you can get it from someone who really believes. Kavi's pen or do something. Alright, this is especially for the month of April. May is good. Success from all directions. May is very good. June shows unexpected changes in life. I never said good or bad. I just said unexpected change. You'll be on an adventure. Alright. Wow. What an year, huh? Aquarians. Alright. Then July comes with lot of spirituality, spiritual blessings. So your past lives blessings or this life, past karmas, whatever you say, this is the time to reap the fruits and you'll be really, really, really very happy about it. Yeah. Um, right. August, you will find yourself toggling in two situations. So you will have to take care of this also and that also. Maybe your job assigned is taking care of this company and that company. Maybe two situations. That's the clue. Hmm. September, again, you'll find yourself in competitive position, but the best part is the people whom you're competing with are genuine people. So if you give your 200%, you win. Now again, I told you about the cleansing thing. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. It's a devil card. In October, again, a lot of jealousy and strokes and hooks, and we call them psychic attacks. Yes, they do exist. There is no doubt about it. You believe it or not, they do exist. Belief is always a belief, and truth is the truth. What to do? That's why we say, I don't believe in this or I believe in this. So, now what to do? It is there. It's gonna be there. This is the time that you can consult us again. Again, the sprays that I've spoken to has salt water bath, or these sprays, or any protection anklet that you can wear. A black tourmaline would do really nice. And this is a time that you will think a lot with your head and you have to give rest to that. But don't you worry. November is the Empress card. This is my favorite card, one of my favorite cards. Like the Queen, you'll have everything by November and by December. Even December is a harmony card. So whatever you started with, if you learn your lessons well, you have a good November, December. The ending will be really nice. So a lot of ups and downs I say, but I have also given you solutions. And see, right now I'm doing a generic reading, So I don't know how each and every personalized reading should also be done in such a case when these are the ups and downs. So let me see if I can help you. All right, contact me then and take care. I really appreciate the time that you've given for this video. All right, have a very, very happy new year. Take care. Bye bye.